How to add contacts to WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Here, you can create a new chat, group, contact, community or a new broadcast on WhatsApp. You can also scroll down to view all your contacts. Now, tap on New Contact. Over here, type in the first and last name of the contact. And then, add in their mobile number. You can also turn on the Sync Contact to Phone switch below if you want to sync this contact to your phone as well. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Here, go to the search bar and type in the name of the contact you just saved. If you don't find their name, this means that they do not have a WhatsApp account. Scroll down to find the contact in the Invite to WhatsApp section. Now, go back and open up the phone app. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. Search for or scroll down to the Find the Contact over here. Tap on it to view the contact information. Following these steps, you can easily add contacts to WhatsApp on iPhone.